How to add bot on Telegram. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can add bot on Telegram. If any day you would like to add bot on Telegram, at first you have to launch the very Telegram application on your device. You have to tap on Telegram like this. After you tap on Telegram, now you have to go to the three lines on the side and then go to the option of contacts. Now in the search icon you have to search bot father. Now, after you search Botfather and find like this, you can tap on it. So, Botfather is the one which rules the various kind of bots and the creator of the bots. Therefore, now you have to go to the option of here, click later and start. And then in the very search, in the very writing message option, one you can type is one click later bot. Now, when you tap on one click later bot, you can see an interface like this. Now, here you can take any of the bot that you want. In order to create a new bot, you have to just click slash, and after slash, you have to tap on new bot. So after you tap on slash and new bot, you will see that you can create a new bot. You can choose a name for your bot. For example, the name for my bot is Rockbot. So I tap on Rockbot and then send it. Now after that, you can see that a username for your bot will also be chosen. For this, what you can do is you can just write the very name that you want and then tap on bot here. So this way a bot will be created. If the username of the bot is already taken, you can just create another bot which may have not been taken. For example, I wrote a name here. So this way my very bot has been created here and now I could use it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.